day, ladies and gentlemen, this is Azan Arez Auto. Today we are going to check the car stereo for a 2002 Toyota Previa. As you can see, the car stereo is on, but there is no sound output coming out. So by the time the owner hits it, the sound will come out. At times, sound does not come out this time around. So
chairman.
So we'll try to find out what the problem is. Please stay tuned and watch. So to remove this, just pry out this part, which I've already done with the screwdriver. After doing that, you just unclip, remove the harness for the hazard light. Then you have about 4 screws. So I will do that now. Okay, so to remove this, you have remove 4 Phillips screw. You have 1, 2, you have 2, 4. So we have removed the 4 screws. So these are the wiring harness. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 wiring harness. So I'm going to complete the wiring harness. So we put another set, another head unit, and everything seems to be clean. There's no need to heat. There's no need to heat the system. Everything is working well. So the challenge is, this is likely where we have our problems. The car wiring is okay. So we are going to further find out the problem here. We have taken out the car stereo from the car. So we are going to open it up. I have unscrewed this for place. So we are going to look inside. We are going to check all these connections and check for any dry joints. And once we are done, we'll assemble it back and we'll test it on the vehicle. Like I said, this is the old car stereo has been replaced. We have to get this one a used car, fairly used car stereo, to replace it. The old one was faulty, like I said, when I removed it. We tried to repair it, but it's like the fault is more than what we received, so we decided to get a car stereo. So I'm going to fix this now. So I've connected all the cables, so okay, you can see the system is on. It's working. Understand? So even this one you buy won't work. So let me. You can see it's working. So you can see this is working. So what I will do, I will just tidy up the connections. Then I will just put the chrome back. Okay, I finally fixed the new car stereo. So it's playing well. The only disadvantage is that this particular one, the steering control is not working with this particular one. So this is Azan Arez Auto. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.